In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Instagram story stuck on uploading. If your Instagram story is stuck on uploading, then the first thing you want to do is turn on the airplane mode. Swipe down and here find the option of airplane mode or flight mode, then toggle it on. This will temporarily disconnect your device from Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, you simply want to turn it off. This is going to refresh your internet connection. Now go ahead over to the Instagram app and check if your story can be uploaded again. If not, then you want to follow the next step. Next, you want to clear Instagram cache. For that, open your device settings, then tap on the apps option. Scroll through this list and find Instagram, select that. Now find the option of storage, tap on that. Then you want to tap on the option of clear cache. After clearing the cache, open Instagram app and try uploading your story. If the issue still isn't fixed, then you want to follow the final step. For that, you want to launch open Instagram, then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the three lines. Now scroll down and find help, tap on that. Now tap on report a problem. From here, select report problem without shaking. Then tap on include and continue. Now on this box, you want to type a clear explanation of the issue you're facing. You can also attach a screenshot of the problem to help the support team understand it. Then tap on the submit option. After submitting the report, Instagram's team will review the issue. In many cases, the problem will get fixed or reset within 24 hours. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.